So, Namaste guys, welcome to today's session of the Hindu analysis, connecting current affair with the static part. So, starting 27 November 2021, Saturday's newspaper. First news we can see on the page number 1 is international flights from December 15. So what you can refer in this article is like Vande Bharat mission. Also, you can refer the Udan scheme and write down the ministry implementing the scheme and whether it is a central sector scheme or centrally sponsored scheme, and look at the differences between the two. Like what are the differences between central sector scheme and centrally sponsored scheme. You can also refer the core of core schemes. What are core schemes? What are optional schemes with respect to this? So another important article is family based political parties are threat to democracy. So Prime Minister has said, so you can refer the formation of International Congress and other parallel organizations, their amalgamations in International Congress and different theories given for the formation of International Congress, like safety wall theory. And uh, you can also refer the who are the first president of International Congress, important session of the International Congress. That all you can refer. So coming to the third news, CBI gets sanctioned to prosecute High Court ex-judge. So you can read about the Delhi Police Special Establishment Act. Need to take why CBI need to take the permission from states to inquire, and the condition in which no permission is needed, like CBI can take suo motu actions. So coming on to the next news. Next news was about the Gher Ghare Bere. I'm so sorry, I can't pronounce this name correctly as I don't know the pronunciation. But you can also refer the Asiatic Society of Bengal and its founder, William Jones. And you can also write down in comment section that in which year the Asiatic Society of Bengal was established. So another article regarding the pollution. Delhi's air turns toxic again. So you can refer again what is AQI, what is NNAQS, and the pollutants that are covered under them, the graded action response plan for Delhi NCR, and you can also prepare the ways to fight pollution, air pollution, water pollution, any pollution with respect to mains, as this is an important topic in GS3. So next news was about not news but a picture is shown in deep waters. Like, so what you can refer with respect to this picture is northeast monsoon or the retreating monsoon and its impact on the southern Indian region, how it leads to the formation of Kaveri river as a perennial river. All other rivers are the seasonal river in the southern India. You can refer this in your geography notes. So coming on to the page number 2. So Delhi government adds Kartarpur Sahib corridor. Yes, you can see here it is. Delhi government adds Kartarpur Sahib Velankani to pilgrimage scheme. So what you can refer is Kartarpur corridor, its location, and on which river. Like it is on a Ravi river. What are its significances? And you can also refer Article 27, like freedom as to payment of taxes for promotion of any particular religion, and no person shall be compelled to pay any taxes. And you can also refer that whether state can use tax money to promote religious activities or not. So Article 27 is quite important with respect to this article. You can refer. And no important news on page number 2. So the next important news is on page number 3. Assembly passes resolutions condemning farm laws. So it is about Delhi Assembly. So what simply you can refer is, can state government go against the laws passed by the union? So you can refer Article 365 with respect to the article 365. Article 365, an important one. So coming on to the next page, no important article on page number 4. No important on page number 5. Page number 6, yeah, page number 6, there is an important article like 15 poll pleas pending before High Court months after West Bengal pause. So what you can refer here is the election dispute, especially Article 323b, and what it says that center can make tribunal and appealing authority, but Supreme Court in 1997 Chandra Kumar case held it unconstitutional and allowed High Court also to judge the election dispute, citing the judicial review as a part of the basic structure, India's basic structure of the constitution. So what you can refer in this article is about this article is Article 323b and election dispute and who solves those election disputes along with the Election Commission of India. So you can also write down in comment section that in which case judicial review was declared as a basic structure of the constitution. So Coming on to the next news, Congress BJP reach pact on 2 seats in council polls. So it is not important with respect to the article is not important. It is a political news. But what you can refer in this article is Article 169 of the Indian Constitution, process of making and dissolving legislative council, and what are the powers of legislative council as compared to the Rajya Sabha, and states with legislative council. You can read those states with legislative who have currently legislative council. Okay, so coming on to the page number 8, editorial. So editorial is important, like shore of the lifeline. So this article talks about the Manrega, MG Narega, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. So you can refer this complete article for some important data. Important data is given, like how it is correlating with the Minimum Wages Act and everything, disputes and role of Manrega um, in accepting all the migrants, that reverse migration that we had seen in during the pandemic. You can refer with respect to this article. So the second important news in second important editorial in this page is Indian agriculture needs a Varghese Kurian. So you must be knowing that what is who is Varghese Kurian. He is father of white revolution in India, like cooperative model. Like you can refer cooperative model of Amul, and with respect to, if you are referring cooperative model, you can refer 97th amendment, and also refer doctrine of severability, and also refer what is evergreen revolution, like Swaminathan, MS Swaminathan, who is father of green revolution, has said India need an evergreen revolution, not a green revolution. And impact of green revolution on India: rising regional disparities because of the green revolution, as we have seen that certain western states like Haryana, Punjab, and western UP has developed more due to green revolution, and others are left behind. So you can find out what are the reasons why eastern states, eastern part of the Indian states are not able to cope up with the western states, like in the green revolution. So you can also refer rising environmental concerns and rise of monoculture. Like we have seen that wheat and rice are the only became the only staple diet of these areas, and they are only growing these things, and how it is affecting the fertility of the soil as well as the environment of that particular area. You can refer this article. So another important editorial is the rate reset. It is talking about the GST. So slashing multiple GST slabs is essential, like we have covered this in yesterday or day before yesterday also. So you can refer GST also, and with respect to GST, you can refer the 101st Amendment, GST Council, whether it is a constitutional body or not. Anti-profiteering agency. What is anti-profiteering agency? Is it a constitutional body or a statutory body? You can write down in comment section. Input tax credit, that is very important one. And cascading effect, why before GST cascading effect of taxes were there, and how GST has able to counter the cascading effect of the taxes. And you can also refer the Laffer curve with respect to the economy. So that's all from this page. Coming on to the page number 10. Yes, page number 10. The first article is MPs are defenders of dignity of parliament. So what you can refer this with respect to this article is ethics committee and code of conduct for MPs. Like uh, read this important article and connect it with the governance part as well as the GS force part also. And you can also refer the privileges, like individual and collective privileges, and that is given in article 105 for parliamentary, and article 194 for state assemblies. So you can refer this article. Like, coming to the next important article is disruption. Disruption, yeah. Disruption cannot be permanent parliamentary strategy. Like RJD, some RJD leader has saying that disruption cannot be the permanent parliamentary strategy. So you can refer this article with respect to the governance in India and prioritizing people's issues, as this article is also highlighting. So this is important for the governance point of view. Important article. You can read this article, but I don't think it is an important article. But refer your static notes with respect to governance in India. It is part of your GS2. Yes, coming to the page number 11. This is very important article. Over 50% of Bihar's population is multidimensionally poor. As we see that certain global indexes, Niti Aayog issues certain certain indexes which are parallel to the global indexes. Like some global index, if it is comparing the nations, like Niti Aayog um, issue the same index comparing the states in India. So it is promoting cooperative federalism as well as competitive federalism. So you can refer with respect to GS2 also cooperative federalism, and you can also write down in comment section and read about that which organization publishes multidimensional poverty index at the global level. Like in India, it is produced by Niti Aayog, and you can also refer certain other indexes which are published by Niti Aayog, such as Sustainable Development Goals Index, Composite Water Management Index, Export Preparedness Index. You can refer all these indexes with respect to Niti Aayog. So another important article, and this article is very important with respect to certain data is given. Like another, okay, so another important article is Russia, India, China meet reveals Indo-Pacific gap. So what you can refer to this article is RIC grouping and the Indo-Pacific. Like what is RIC grouping and its role in Indo-Pacific region? You can refer this with respect to this article. So coming on to the page number 12. Page number 12, we can see, yeah, this Covaxin program. Like you see COVAX report resume. So you can refer what is COVAX program for donation of vaccine, and you can also refer Gavi, the Global Vaccine Alliance. This is very important. Like it was established in, if I remember it, in 2000, around 2000. So you can refer this article as well. Now another important article is about Venu Gopal pushes for National Court of Appeal. So you all must be knowing that who is Venu Gopal. He is Attorney General of India, and with respect to Attorney General of India, you can refer the Article 76, and is Attorney General a constitutional body or not? You can write down in comment section, and who appoints him, and what are his role, and how he can be removed from his office. You can refer this with respect to your polity section. So coming on to the page number 13, yes, page number 13, this France scraps migrant talks with the UK. This is again coming in news, not so important for examination point of view, as it hardly asks certain these international issues in so much detail. What you can refer is the Strait of Dover and English Channel and their location on the map. And there is nothing more important in this on this page, but this is since international relation page, you can read at least all the headlines so that to stay in touch with what is happening in the world. So coming on to the page number 14, this is very important page. Like RBI, this is very important for the economy point of view. Like RBI raises private bank promoter stake cap. So what you can refer to this article is what are scheduled banks and their classification from your static economy point of view. Again, coming on to the next article, gold bond issued price. So what you can refer its features and types of bond issued in India. T-bills, write down whether a state government can issue T-bills or not. Municipal bonds recently seen in news, RBI retail direct scheme, what that you can refer the respect to this article. So coming on to the next article, this SIM extend to $50 million credit for Africa. So what you can refer that Export Import Bank, also MEIS, Merchandise Export India scheme, and road tap scheme with respect to this. This is another important article, cross border insolvency draft and on anvil. So what you can refer this, insolvency and bankruptcy law, as well as a UN Citral law with respect to the cross border insolvency draft on anvil. Like you can see this UNCITRAL model law. You can read this law in detail to know about the what is this law is all about. So, and I have list out certain important things in the in the PDF also. So you can follow our Telegram channel for the detailed explanation of the detailed notes. So that's all from today's newspaper. Nothing important in this section. So see you again. If you like our content, please like the video, share it with your friends, and referring this session just for 2 or 3 months will ensure all the static part, cover all the static part. Okay, so thank you.